Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Twitter lag issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now after opening settings, scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating, go back to settings and then open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open the Twitter app. And after opening the Twitter app, go to its storage and in storage clear the app data and cache memory of Twitter app. And after doing this, go back to settings. Now in settings, click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings and enter your password.